Hey everybody, welcome to another Saturday Scribbles episode. In this episode, I was feeling very nostalgic, so I decided to draw some retro technology. We're starting off with a floppy disk, and if you never got to experience the joys of a floppy disk, I am so sorry. Because I can remember going to elementary school and having my little report saved on my floppy disk, and half the time the floppy disk would fail me, so you always had a backup floppy disk. So it's pretty basic. It's just a square with some details. They're kind of a little more rectangular. It's hard to describe. If you draw a square, people will know what it is. The next object is a roll of film. I never developed my own film, but I can remember having little instant cameras that I took on field trips with me and dropping the film off at like Walmart or whatever. So that was fun to doodle. And they basically just look like big batteries, like a D battery or something, or a C battery. The next object is an old radio, and while I didn't personally have any old radios, my grandparents did, and I don't know if they even worked, but I do remember seeing them, and I always thought the shape was really cool, and I wondered what they would sound like if they were turned on. They would probably sound like any other radio, but I don't know, they're quirky looking. I feel like radios back in the day, 60s and before that even, they were just really, just quirky looking, but in a cute way. I like it. I'm pretty sure I've seen like radio sculptures that were for sale for home decorating, and to each their own. And now we have the infamous, or rather famous, Walkman. This one is pretty basic. It's a rectangle, and then you just draw some buttons. You don't have to draw the buttons in yours. You can just draw a rectangle and draw the little cassette deck inside. And you don't have to draw headphones. And even if you do draw headphones, they could just be two little black circles with a curved stick in between. It can be very basic. I'm not the best at drawing headphones, so my headphones turned out a little funky, but that's okay. That is okay. I think they look enough like headphones that nobody should be confused as to what they are. And this is the final product. I hope that you guys enjoy, and thank you so much for watching.